Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to choose and switch the profile in Prime Video on your smart TV. So when you launch the Prime Video app, it will give you this profile list from a profile picker, and you can choose any of this profile. Say suppose I chosen my profile Kushal, and it will display all the content which I have been browsed and the history and wherever I have paused. Now if I want to switch to different profile, what I can do is I can go to this left panel and scroll to the profile icon, and it will again bring back me to the profile pickup page. And if I just choose any other profile, it will automatically start loading in that particular profile. So in this way you can choose and switch between the profiles on your smart TV in Amazon Prime. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.